morning. The alarm just went off. It's 3:30 in the morning, and it's time for the Buffalo Roundup.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
You can see the time. It's 3:41. Let's get the wife some coffee started. We made it out here to the parking area for the Buffalo Roundup. You can see all the cars lined up there. And all across there. You can look out there behind us. Across the way, I'll flip the camera around to show you. There's two different sides. We're on the north. The other car's over there on the south. So I'll flip it around. So you can see over there, that's on the south side. We're in that crowd over here in the north. They have the restroom set up, and over at the white tent, they're doing pancakes and sausage breakfast. So we're all ready. Roundup starts later. We're here, we got our seats. We're lined up on the hill. You've seen these beautiful people before. And then,
Beautiful people right there.
let's see, the beautiful people over there. The guy with the bald head. And the cowgirl next to him.
Oh, there she is.
Wave to the camera.
Wave to the camera.
All right, and you see out in front of us. We're all so excited. We can't wait.
For the thundering.
So we're hoping that right down there in front of us is where the thundering herd comes running through. But you'll get to see it as we get to see it. All right, it's time to round up the buffalo. Oh, I guess that's not buffalo.
That was a small.
He's as big as a buffalo, though. That's a grasshopper. Here's the first view of them way back in the distance coming over the hill. You see we've seen them come over, and you can see it's getting thicker and thicker as they come over the hill. It's like ants invading the area. So there's the first look, and we'll give you another look here as it keeps coming and gets closer. Wow, pretty cool. It's less than what you would think.
Thank you so much. Oh, they're ready.
What I did.
Let's see here. Here they come around the corner. You can see the dust coming up over the hill. Filling up the screen. Here they come down. They'll be coming through this gate right over here.
They're all
In
racing
just a
for the
minute.
gate first.
So see them coming into the gate.
Look at the baby. You see the baby?
Oh, I'm getting. They're all going up that way. We'll have to get them turned and look at there. Coming back across.
Hear the whips, Mom?
Yeah.
What do you think so far, kiddo?
Oh, it's awesome.
What do you think, Greens?
Amazing. Love it.
This is pretty cool. You can hear them cracking the whips and moving them over into the big field. Soon they're going to probably turn them here and get them coming down our way. So we'll go back to the other screen. So they got them, most of them through, and now they're starting to make the turn. You see the cowboys back there in the back separating out, round them up. So they're going out to make the turn out there, get all those out there in the front, over there, get them all turned and headed back this way.
I know. But I no. Sorry.
Get these guys down here and next. You can see there's a gate over there, and then we have a gate right here.
No, this is a whole lot better view in there on the top side. See a lot more.
Working their way across the road. Now you hear the whips starting to start up again. And you see there, now they starting to hurt them, get them going.
Crack those whips, boys.
You're starting to head into the gate over there. You're heading over.
Look at that.
Yeah, let's see those cowboys.
Look at them.
Cracking the whips, getting them going. Taking off, running up through there. That's pretty cool.
It's always one in the bunch. They had to go round up.
We had one straggler they had to round up.
him up.
So they finally got him. He's a big fella. He said, the rest of these guys belong to me. I'm just hanging out. Oh, I lost him. Oh, there he goes over there. We finished up watching the buffalo roundup here in Custer, South Dakota. That was a pretty cool experience.
Yes, it was.
So we're in the car, headed back to the RV park. We had a beautiful day. The weather was awesome. The scenery here was awesome. And we hope you guys enjoyed the video that you got to see of the buffalo roundup. Kind of a unique experience. So
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Pretty neat to watch this buffalo and the cowboys. How they, and cowgirls probably were out there too. How they was working their herd. That was pretty neat.
So if you ever get out here to South Dakota and you want to come to the buffalo roundup, you have an idea what to expect.
Yes.
They hold it every year at the end of September. So they do it in order to call the herd. They bring all the babies in, separate them, vaccinate them. I think they either tattoo or brand or what do they call it? Or somehow they tag them or mark them somehow so they can keep track of it, and so they can keep the herd size. So that's the whole purpose of the buffalo roundup, and then they'll turn it into a big spectator event as well. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.